Let's put the debate to rest. Real carnivore ice cream is rich. It's creamy, and it starts with the foundation of any great custard: egg yolks. Forget the shortcuts. You need 4 things: rich egg yolks, heavy whipping cream, pure vanilla, and the right sweetener. That's it. First, combine your egg yolks and sweetener. Whisk them and keep whisking until they've paled in color and fall off the whisk in thick, flowing ribbons. In a saucepan, gently heat your heavy cream and vanilla. You're just looking to warm it through and infuse the flavors. Don't let it boil. Pay attention here. This is the most crucial step. To avoid scrambled eggs, you must temper. Slowly, very slowly, drizzle the hot cream into the yolks while whisking without pause. This gently raises their temperature. Now, pour everything back into the pan. Stir constantly over low heat until the mixture thickens into a proper custard. The test? When it coats the back of your spoon and holds a line. Transfer the finished custard to a container. Press plastic wrap directly on the surface to prevent a skin from forming, and chill it completely. It must be cold before freezing. Once it's fully chilled, it's ready for the freezer. To get that creamy texture, you have to stir it every hour or 2. This is the hand churning that makes it perfect. And there you have it. No shortcuts, no confusion, just pure, decadent, real carnivore ice cream. The way it's meant to be.